Hey guys! Today we're diving into something a bit different but super interesting. Essential oils. Whether you're a fan of aromatherapy, natural cleaning solutions or DIY beauty products, essential oils have got you covered. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about lavender oil. This little beauty is like the Swiss Army knife of essential oils, and it's known for its calming properties, so if you're struggling to sleep or just need to unwind, lavender oil can be your best friend. Just a few drops on your pillow can help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. And guess what? It's also great for your skin. Got a pesky pimple or a bit of redness? Dab a tiny bit of lavender oil on it and you'll see the magic. Next on the list is tea tree oil. This one's a powerhouse when it comes to fighting bacteria and fungi. It's like having a tiny all-natural warrior in a bottle. If you've got acne-prone skin, tea tree oil can work wonders as a spot treatment. Just be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil because this stuff is potent. Now let's sprinkle in some peppermint oil. This one's super refreshing and invigorating. If you're feeling a bit sluggish or need a pick-me-up, a whiff of peppermint oil can do the trick. It's also fantastic for headaches and muscle pain. Just mix a few drops with the carrier oil and massage it onto your temples or sore muscles. Instant relief. But wait, there's more. Did you know that essential oils can also be used for natural cleaning solutions? Yep, that's right. Lemon oil, for instance, is a natural disinfectant and can leave your home smelling fresh and clean. Just add a few drops to your cleaning spray and you're good to go. Plus, it's chemical-free, so it's safe for you and your family. All right, folks, that's a wrap on our essential oils journey today. Remember, these oils are powerful, so always do a patch test and consult with a healthcare provider if you're pregnant or have any health conditions. I hope you found this video helpful and maybe even a bit inspiring. If you like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing content. See you next time.